Hey, so I just wanted to hop on here and shoot you this really quick video, just kind of giving you the first task of what I'm going to be needing help with. What I'll be sending you is I'll send you, for each project, you're going to get two Excel files. So one's going to say Gainesville, Florida all, and the other one's going to say or the city and state. It doesn't necessarily have to say Gainesville. It's going to say city and state all and city and state available. So, once you get these two Excel spreadsheets, you're going to want to pull them both up just so they're right next to each other and you can see both of them. And I'll show you why. So this first one over here, this is all the available domains that I am needing to sort through to see which one would qualify. So if you see, there's two columns, one says domain, one says available. So you want to scroll all the way down. All these ones that say no, we'll just go ahead and remove those because those are the ones that are not available, so we're not going to worry about going through them. So delete. Okay, so all these yeses are what I'm needing you to go through for me. So just kind of show you what I'm looking for. I'll walk you through it and then I'll send you something in writing as well, kind of following the list of steps. So you have your list of domains. We'll go ahead and delete that. You're going to pull up a Google or any window that you use. I use a private window, that way it's not tracked. You can do what you'd like, but that's just what I do. So I pull up an incognito window that's in Google Chrome. That's what I recommend you doing. And then you're just going to go through these domains here, and I need to figure out which ones are going to qualify for me to use. So when I say qualify is we're going to search so I'll just walk you through it. So here's the first one. You're going to copy the domain. You're going to go back to this master list and you're going to find this domain in here. So hit find. I always hit just copy and paste it. And then it's right here. So you'll want to copy the name and the address of this business. And then you'll go back to your Google window, type in google.com, and then you're going to paste that into Google. And what we're looking for is 4 to 5 websites that have this URL or this domain listed on it. It's what's called a citation. So I generally don't go for websites that don't have Facebook or Yelp or both. And that'll kind of wean out a lot of them for you. So if you're going through this and you realize that, oh, they don't have a Facebook citation and there's no Yelp, YELP citation, then I generally don't even bother with it, and I'll highlight it. Where's the highlight? Okay, right here. I generally will just highlight it red because that one's not going to work. So we'll go on to the next one. I'm going to copy the next one. We'll go to find, paste. Okay, sometimes that happens if it's like on one single row. So I'll just click off, find, paste. Okay, I found it right here. So again, I'm just going to copy the name and the address of this business into Google. Oh, they have a Yelp, and that's good. So I generally will just open up all the pages first. So you don't have to open up Yellow Pages because we already know that this is all of these listings are actually coming from Yellow Pages, so you don't have to worry about opening up Yellow Pages. But everything else you can open up. Care.com, I generally don't. The really good ones that are good to have are Yelp, Super Pages, Manta. These are all directories. So Yelp, Super Pages, Manta, Dextno, I think that's what it's called. Oh, look, there's Manta right here. Awesome. Okay, so I'll just go through this here. Super Pages, that's a good one to have. Manta. Senviz. So, okay. I have a few of them pulled up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL here. And I'm just going to go through these pages to see if the website is listed. If it's not listed, then it's a no. So again, you want 4 to 5 citations, or 4 to 5 websites, I should say. And within one of those 4 to 5, there should be either a Facebook website with the URL listed, or Yelp, which is this one. So this has a Yelp listing, but the website's not listed, so unfortunately it won't work. So go ahead and exit out of that, and then you'll just keep going through. I'll scan through it because sometimes there won't be an actual website listed. It'll have like this will say website, and I'll click it, and if I click this button and it goes to this URL, then that would work. So that one's a no. We have Nextdoor, so Control Find, and we have the website listed there, so that would be a good one. Sometimes that happens, so that's a no. Oh, and then sometimes you'll have to just go through this and make sure Google knows that you're not a robot. Bicycle. Okay, Manta, this is another good one to have. So this is one of those ones where it's not going to be listed, but if you hit visit website and it directs you to this URL, then that would count as one. So Manta is a really good one to have. And then also, yeah, so that would be all. And then I like to see, it also helps to see like the name of the owner, so I will go down to contact, and if you happen to find, like, if you have one of these URLs that has Manta and you happen to have the contact and it does qualify as one, then you can go ahead and copy the name of the person down, and you can just put it in one of these right here, because I do like to get the name of the owner as well. So but unfortunately this one's not going to work because there's no Yelp and there's no Facebook, and so we're just gonna go ahead and highlight that as red. That one unfortunately won't work. So that's really the gist. I want to try and find that one that would qualify, just so you can see what that looks like. So we'll go back here, find. Okay, so here's another one. Copy the name, address, city, and state. Go back to Google if I can find it. Okay, so again, there's no Yelp and no Facebook, so I don't even bother with it, honestly. So we'll just go ahead and make that one red. Sometimes it'll be on the second page of Google, the Yelp listing, but usually it's always like the first one. So see, there's a Yelp right here, and then we'll open up all of these as well. Okay, so we're gonna hit copy, go here, hit find. Okay, so that's good. That's good. So we have the URL on Yelp, which is awesome. We have, okay, it's on this one as well, so we have 2 now. 3. Okay, I'm gonna try and find another one because we have 3 so far. As long as we can get 4 at least, then we should be good. We have 4, awesome. So this is one that would qualify. So you can go ahead and just highlight that yellow or whatever color you want to use. But yeah, so I'm actually going to go ahead and send you this list here, Gainesville, Florida. I'll send you again. It'll be the available ones and it'll be the master list. So if you want to go ahead and start on that, you can start next week on Monday, which would be, you actually just texted me. You can go ahead and start on Monday the 17th if you would like, because right now I'm starting at 10 hours a week, but of course that is subject to change, just depending on, you know, the work you bring and what you're able to do within those 10 hours. So if you have any questions for me at all, just let me know. I'll give you my phone number. I'm pretty sure I have WhatsApp. If I don't, I'll make sure I download it. But yeah, that is all. Thank you so much.